Hello friends, in this session we will be talking about the division algorithm for polynomials. So friends, now if we have two polynomials px and gx such that gx is not equal to 0, then we can always find two polynomials qx and rx such that px is equal to qx into gx plus rx. So qx is basically the quotient polynomial and rx is the remainder polynomial, where rx can either be 0, which would mean that gx is a proper factor of px, or the degree of rx will be less than the degree of gx, because we will, in that case, we'll stop the division process when the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. So these two conditions will be met and we can find two polynomials such that we satisfy px equal to qx into gx plus rx. Now this is similar to the Euclid's division algorithm for integers. Now the question that comes to mind is this true? If the degree of gx is greater than the degree of px, we are saying that the degree of divisor is greater than the degree of px polynomial. Yes, this holds true even in this case, because in that case the degree of the dividend is already less than that of divisor, so this becomes the remainder and qx becomes 0. So this thing still holds true with px becoming equal to rx and qx being 0. Now let's take an example question on how do we use this division algorithm. We need to find all the zeros of this polynomial fx equal to 2x raised to power 4 plus x cube minus 14x square minus 19x minus 6 if two of its zeros are given as minus 1 and minus 2. So we can say x plus 1 and x plus 2 are factors of this given polynomial. So we can find out the product, and since each of them is a factor of this, so the product will also be a factor of this given polynomial. So let's find out the product of these two, which becomes x square plus 3x plus 2. So now we'll divide the given polynomial by this new polynomial that we have now gotten. So we can say 2x4 plus x cube minus 14x square minus 19x minus 6, and we'll divide this by this polynomial. Now it is important to know that since this is a factor of the given polynomial, the remainder, which is rx, that would be 0. So we'll only get qx, the remainder being 0, and that qx we need to factorize to get the zeros of that. So now let's first of all do this division. We multiply this with 2x square we get 2x raised to power 4 plus 6x cube plus 4x square. We subtract this gets cancelled. The 2x raised to power 4 gets cancelled, and we get a minus 5x cube minus 18x square. We get the next term down, minus 19x. So we take a minus 5x over here. So we get minus 5x cube minus 15x square minus 10x. So again this gets cancelled. now we are left with minus 3x square minus 9x minus 6, and if we multiply this with minus 3, we get minus 3x square minus 9x minus 6, and we get no remainder. So as we expected, Rx is 0. Now if we need to factorize this to be able to get the zeros. So we can simply do the splitting of the middle term, and we get 2x plus 1 into x minus 3 as the factors. So we can say minus 1 by 2 and 3. These are the remaining two zeros of the given polynomial. So this is how the division algorithm of the polynomials is used to solve the questions of this nature. Friends, I hope you enjoyed the session. If you find it useful, please like it and share it with your friends. You can visit us at our Cool Smart Learning website and post your queries there. And please subscribe to the Cool Smart Learning channel for getting updates on the new sessions. Thank you.